What if I told you that building wealth doesn't require a fat paycheck, a fancy degree, or even a starting investment? It's true. The biggest barrier to wealth isn't money, it's mindset and strategy. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to start building wealth with absolutely $0. Whether you're drowning in student loans, living paycheck to paycheck, or just feeling stuck, this guide will help you get on the path to financial freedom. Stick with me to the end because I'll share a practical step-by-step roadmap that anyone can follow. Let's dive in. Step 1. Change your mindset about money. Before you do anything else, it's crucial to reframe how you think about money. Here's why. Why mindset matters. Many people believe that wealth is only for the privileged, but wealth is about habits, not just income. Focus on growth. Instead of thinking, I can't afford this, ask yourself, how can I afford this? This simple shift opens up creative solutions. Example, Jeff Bezos, one of the richest people in the world, didn't start with wealth. He started by identifying opportunities and sticking to long-term goals. Step 2. Leverage what you already have. Even if you have $0, you still have resources. Let's explore how to use them. Your skills and knowledge. Start freelancing or offering services online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great places to begin. Your network. Talk to friends, family, or colleagues who might have opportunities or advice. Free resources. Use free tools, courses, and guides to learn about investing, budgeting, and saving. Action step. Write down 3 skills you already have and brainstorm ways to monetize them. Step 3. Create a budget and stick to it. If you're starting with $0, it's important to take control of what you currently have. Track your expenses. Use free apps like Mint or YNAB to see where your money is going. Cut unnecessary spending. Cancel unused subscriptions. Avoid impulse buys and cook at home instead of eating out. Set savings goals. Even saving $10 a week can make a difference over time. Pro tip: automate your savings so it happens without you even thinking about it. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. To build wealth, you need to move beyond just one source of income. Side hustles. Start with simple gigs like driving for Uber, selling items on eBay, or tutoring online. Online opportunities. Launch a blog, create a YouTube channel, or sell digital products like ebooks. Passive income. Look into affiliate marketing or creating content that earns royalties over time. Case study. Sarah, a single mom, started a print-on-demand store with no upfront costs. In 6 months, she was earning $500 a month in passive income. Step 5. Learn the basics of investing. Even if you have no money now, learning about investing will prepare you for when you do. Start small. Use apps like Robinhood or Acorns that'll learn about compound interest. Small, consistent investments grow exponentially over time. Focus on index funds. Low-cost, diversified options like S&P 500 index funds are great for beginners. Example, if you invest $50 a month in an index fund with a 7% annual return, you'll have over $12,000 in 10 years. Step 6. Develop marketable skills. Your income potential is directly tied to the skills you bring to the table. High-demand skills, coding, graphic design, copywriting, and digital marketing are in high demand. Free learning resources. Platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, and YouTube offer free courses. Certification programs. Earn certifications that boost your earning potential, often for little to no cost. Pro tip: spend 30 minutes a day learning a new skill to increase your value in the job market. Step 7. Network like a pro. Building wealth isn't just about what you know, it's also about who you know. Attend free events. Look for community workshops, networking events, or online webinars. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn are great for connecting with industry professionals. Offer value. When networking, think about how you can help others. It often leads to reciprocal opportunities. Step 8. Avoid the common pitfalls. Starting from $0 means you have to be extra careful about common mistakes. Avoid high-interest debt. Credit card debt can kill your progress before it starts. Don't chase get-rich-quick schemes. Building wealth takes time and consistency. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan, even when it feels slow or challenging. Real-world example. Mark avoided get-rich-quick schemes and focused on saving and investing consistently. After 5 years, he had $25,000 in savings. Step 9. Keep your eye on the long game. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. Set long-term goals. Think about where you want to be financially in 5, 10, or 20 years. Track your progress. Celebrate small wins along the way to stay motivated. Reinvest your earnings. Don't splurge on luxuries when you start making more money. Reinvest it for future growth. Building wealth with $0 might sound impossible, but as you've seen, it's entirely doable with the right strategies. Focus on leveraging what you have, learning new skills, and making smart financial decisions. Remember, every wealthy person started somewhere. The key is to start today, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little financial inspiration. Let us know in the comments, what's the first step you're going to take to start building wealth? Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Let's make it happen.